into fine mulch in seconds.
In modern forestry, technology is changing how we manage trees, clear land, and reuse natural resources. From powerful wood chippers to smart stump removal systems, these machines turn tough forestry work into efficient and sustainable operations. Modern forestry is evolving fast, and machines like the Gen Z hybrid chipper truck prove how innovation and raw power can work together. With more than 1,000 horsepower under the hood and a massive 1,040-millimeter drum, this machine can process up to 500 cubic meters of wood every hour. Whether it's logs, branches, or even entire trees, this powerful chipper turns natural material into usable biomass energy with remarkable efficiency. Another impressive tool in land restoration is the Titan Economy root bucket. This attachment can transform a standard tractor into a powerful root removal machine. Built with reinforced steel and aggressive teeth, it digs deep beneath stubborn stumps and roots, pulling them out while preparing the ground for future planting or development. Sometimes the simplest machines are the most effective. A tracked tractor pulling a heavy knife roller can clear paths through dense vegetation with surprising ease. The combination of weight, momentum, and sharp cutting edges allows it to crush obstacles and prepare land without complicated equipment. Biomass processing also plays a key role in sustainable forestry. The FAE biomass setup demonstrates how standing trees and woody debris can be converted into clean fuel. Using PTO-driven power, high-output rotors, and large feed capacity, it quickly transforms natural material into renewable energy resources. One stubborn stump that had survived in a landscape for years finally met its match when an Oliver 1650 tractor teamed up with a Kaiser machine. As the machines applied steady force, the ground shook, roots cracked, and eventually the massive stump surrendered to the combined power of engineering and persistence. Tree felling can also become an impressive display of precision. In one incredible sequence, 45 spruce trees fall one after another like a perfectly timed domino chain. It's not just power at work, it's planning, experience, and control. Technology continues to evolve, even in stump removal. Instead of digging aggressively, a vacuum excavation system gently removes soil around a large spruce stump. By lifting the earth with suction, it exposes the root system without damaging the surrounding ground. Quiet, clean, and incredibly precise. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. For more direct cutting power, the Husqvarna 3120 XP stands as a legendary tool. Designed for demanding forestry work, this chainsaw delivers brutal torque and razor-sharp precision, slicing through thick roots and ancient wood fibers without hesitation. Innovation doesn't always come from factories. One clever operator built a homemade stump grinder using a pressure washer engine paired with a Leonardi Blue Shark cutting wheel. With the right components and mechanical creativity, this DIY machine performs like professional equipment. Many landowners are discovering that stump removal doesn't always require heavy machines. With the right method and patience, even small-scale solutions can solve difficult problems while preserving the surrounding landscape. Clearing land can be expensive and environmentally damaging unless the process is designed for sustainability. Machines like the VM60SR mulcher grind woody waste into natural mulch. Instead of burning or transporting debris, the material returns to the soil, improving fertility and reducing waste. Large-scale mulching systems push this idea even further. The RT400 Forestry mulcher turns dense vegetation into fine organic material within seconds. With powerful cutting systems and efficient fuel use, it represents a balance between productivity and environmental responsibility. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. Heavy-duty stump grinding machines also play a crucial role in efficient land clearing. Custom grinders designed for hardwood stumps can process large roots quickly while minimizing disturbance to the surrounding area. Sometimes entire trees need to be relocated rather than removed. Specialized machines equipped with hydraulic jaws dig carefully around root systems and lift full trees intact, allowing them to be replanted elsewhere. It's a perfect example of technology supporting environmental preservation. More unconventional techniques also appear in the field. In one experiment, thermite was used to burn through a stump with extreme heat. While dramatic, it demonstrates just how stubborn tree roots can be. A slower but safer method involves drilling holes into the stump, filling them with diesel, and allowing the wood to burn slowly over time. With patience, the stump gradually disappears from the inside out. For extreme forestry tasks, powerful machines like the K700 tractor bring unmatched pulling force. Built for difficult terrain and heavy workloads, this machine grabs, lifts, and removes stubborn stumps as if it were built for battle. Traditional ingenuity still has a place as well. By tying several stumps together and pulling them as one combined mass, operators can use physics and leverage to make the job easier. Modern equipment like the Woodland Mills WG24 PTO stump grinder continues to push efficiency forward. Its 24-inch grinding wheel and tungsten carbide teeth slice through hardwood with remarkable speed and control. For even heavier work, the CBI Stump Shear SS20 takes stump removal to another level. Designed for large excavators, it tears through roots and lifts them out in powerful, controlled movements. Forestry mulchers also remain one of the most effective tools for land restoration. These machines grind thick vegetation, fallen logs, and brush into nutrient-rich mulch that protects soil and encourages new growth. The hardwood stump boss grinder is another powerful example of modern engineering. Built for durability and precision, it reduces solid wood into mulch within seconds, preparing land quickly for new use. Operating heavy equipment is also an art form. Watching an experienced operator control a CAT 305E2 excavator shows just how much skill goes into moving large root systems safely and efficiently. Finally, some machines focus on uprooting instead of grinding. These stump lifters pull entire root systems from the soil, leaving a clean worksite and eliminating the need for time-consuming grinding. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. From high-powered mulchers to innovative biomass systems, modern forestry technology is changing the way we manage land. By combining efficiency with sustainability, these machines help transform natural materials into valuable resources while protecting the environment for the future.